Loneliness, it's something almost everyone experiences at some point, but for many, it becomes more than just an emotion. It turns into a silent epidemic that slowly erodes our mental and physical health. In today's fast-paced, hyper-connected world, loneliness can coexist with thousands of online connections. Despite our social media networks, many people feel profoundly isolated, emotionally disconnected, unheard, unseen. But what if we told you that loneliness is not a permanent state, but a signal, a biological and emotional call for reconnection? Just like hunger reminds us to eat, loneliness reminds us that we need belonging, conversation, and shared purpose. Understanding and addressing it is essential for protecting both our mental health and our overall longevity. Modern science now tells us that chronic loneliness can be as damaging to health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. It increases the risk of heart disease, depression, anxiety, cognitive decline, and even premature death. Yet the good news is, this is reversible. We can rebuild our emotional ecosystem through deliberate, compassionate actions. This playlist, Loneliness, Depression, and Mental Health Decline, is designed to help you understand this connection deeply. Across these videos, we'll explore why loneliness is rising despite constant connectivity, how relationships, hobbies, and purpose can rebuild emotional strength, the science of mindfulness and how it stabilizes emotional fluctuations, why natural sunlight and exercise are proven antidepressants, how to normalize seeking mental health care without shame or stigma,